You're not going to lose your jobs to AI. You're going to lose your job to somebody who learned AI better than you.
Jensen Huang just addressed the future job market. Are we really cooked? Here's what he had to say.
Let's talk about what's going on. It's more likely that the companies with ambition, when they become larger and more profitable, they'll end up hiring more people. NVIDIA today has AI all over our company. We're hiring more people. We're moving faster. We're more and more ambitious. If you don't engage the technology of your time, you'll just simply be left behind. When people think about job loss and AI, what they see is that there's only so much work in the world to do. Only so much code to write, only so many products to design. And that is completely obviously false. Everything from AI chips to DRAMs to TSMC and packaging, it's creating a lot of jobs. The next layer above that is infrastructure. Look at how many data centers are being built around the world. How much land is being dedicated to building data centers. Electricians and plumbers and construction workers, architects and designers and technicians and networking engineers. Just the number of jobs are very big. Hundreds of thousands just in the United States alone. Last year was the single largest year of venture capital investments in human history. $100 billion went into AI native companies. Whole bunch of jobs being created.
For all the parents out there, what do you suggest their kids should be studying in order to stay relevant in the age of AI?
I think that it won't matter. All the things that used to matter are still things that are going to matter in the future. For example, the ability to tell a story for an audience will remain just as important in the future as it is today. The arts will be just as important. A wabi-sabi, the beauty of imperfection, will probably be even more important in the future than today. And so making movies, designing cars and making chips will all still be as important as the past. The only one thing that you have to do, ask yourself, how can AI help elevate my learning, my craft, my purpose?
Let us know in the comments. Do you think Jensen Huang is covering up a major issue, or is there still hope for future jobs? And before you click off, make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos.